Alright guys, let's go to make Hexagonal red wall with wood material. First of all, we have to do it like that and use a polygon, make polygon, make it 100, up like that, enter, and use offset and 50 and line from the center up 55. Just connect this and then you guys can trim this color. Please don't use that. Reset. Let's go to extrude polygon. With this 100, okay? And then cut it off. 1, 2. Okay, we cut it. Right? And you have this one, okay? It's good. But you have change the operation to new value, okay? Like that. Okay. It is very simple. The hexagonal wall decorative, the wood material. Okay. The last one you have to make it the material, okay? It's the material and then change material to the wood, okay? Just use any wood you want. Cherry, bamboo, wood. Okay, I just wanna use a fine wood for the wheel. That. Okay. What's the material? Okay. Very simple and very easy to make it. If you want to round it the head, you can use delay like this. On one maybe. Just like very simple. So guys, this is my video. Just comment that. Comment down below guys. You want what do you want? Any object you want me to create? Just comment, okay? And I will see you guys on the next video.